Welcome to Explore Tripoli. We are back on the road. Rokupa Junction, na dey with this one. Road construction they go on. Gaddafi Mosque na dey see far yonder so. This road construction, it don't say way overdue. If you don't pass na this road, for comot from Ferry Junction to Wellington to PNB Junction, you know say the road is not correct. The road not correct. It swell, it make bump them. When you dey drive, you go fix yourself na pothole them na den dey because the road don't swell. So this particular road construction, it don't say it don't overdue. Well, na Sunday this wey dem say make dem can start am. The unfortunate thing wey me feel to say Sierra Roads Authority need for dey do now, na for put sign and put a date wey dem go tell we say dem dey block here because then they can't do something. Even if na 1 month before time, look na banner they will put so they able put banner back where you go say, well, from this day to this day we dey block here, or they block here this day from this time to this time because we can't do road construction on this certain date. This is not the 21st century. You don't go just grab, you dey on an urgent mission for go, bam, they don't block road. What you do? And they make road. Yes, its development is necessary, but for one me, so that the town they make this, I know we can't pass here. I know we can't pass here. I go find alternative. The whole road there, because some right time not be even no safe say now this nine they go on. Just like as I say just now, this particular one, you don't say we don't overdue. When last you pass now this road, for say the road be don't swell. Be don't unblom, as well we can call them. Where the drive there, like see the dance. You go visit a pothole, not a pothole. The road, no, but this one is necessary. But again, for one way ahead of time, so that you go decide say let we not pass here. And so I think, because this particular Sunday, well, the traffic and at Eastern, with the drivers the whole again at Eastern. If you don't drive at the east, you know the drivers the way they did. Especially the Poda drivers then. The Poda drivers then. The taxi drivers then at the east. One patient they no get. Well, Tripoli, the one then at the west get patient, no. Let's have not get patient either. But my dear, the one then at the east and pass the mark. Not for wit. It's necessary for this road construction. I'm happy for this. After they done them, they put you up on a Ferry Junction. Now so you're back with it smooth. I just don't know why. You know, say this left side where you see soon, like the way they come out Ferry Junction for car. A bad off past this right side. Yeah, a bad off past the right side. If you don't bad off, you don't. For this road, me, I don't like for pass here. Seriously. I don't like for pass here for this particular road. What it can bring me for pass na this road more? I provide a fresh bread. A Shell company. Yeah. Also the bread wey dem dey buy for go na the provinces, so no. and get then roll them. And get 6, then get 8. In the evening, if you meet up them, man, hot one. So if I come on a tongue, it's either a past because of that brigade today. And he go punish me at this road. At one time, I don't come, Shell company, I buy the brigade. I turn back because that Sunday the road don't open, the hillside bypass road. I turn back, I turn back for go Waterloo. I go pass around. Because the traffic always there. So they see the incoming, the one they come on like Ferry Junction. Now they don't join on way right. Who side the one they come on Wellington, Calbaton, Waterloo. Then supposed for day. But not easy. Because construction they go on. Who side the red tape day? Now they didn't block. So the one the way they come, just like the one the way they see before you, now them for can't join this other lane. Just from this Poti Junction na they would so to Rokupa Junction. Just for that one day. If everybody adhere, trust me, traffic it go block but it no go tense soon. Because that stretch day until we know say you get the poda they get the taxi them, then get for the stop for take passenger or for put passenger down. But you not go make the traffic as tense as it is so now. The one the way this so, then they do the correct thing. You come, you meet up side, they don't block. Well, you join the lane. That's so it for be. But now all man they do them. Well, we go soon find out. That's so we come out. And the traffic go you know want. Now the intersection. Traffic go you really no want. I put you with this one. You see? There wire, then at the right side. You can't join the lane. But the one the way they see now on your right, they don't cut line. They don't cut line. Like two, look how much lane they don't make. Sometimes now we say they delay we self na traffic. Na salon. What you think say you impatient? Trust me. It cause more traffic than it cause. Well, look no more. They want now no reach yonder again. So they don't cut line now. You think say na no more? Then cut line. The one there on your left, then still in on the right side. But watch on your right now, ba. They why don't cut line from the non side. They don't join Kaubaya. What the traffic authorities then? Where are they? Because if they're around, then go able to control this. Like all the one there who don't come by us, so when they're not supposed for the day, then give all man ticket. Well, typical Eastern Poda driver. Look on them now. They don't make two line, I know even enough. He make three for block the one the way they come. Eh? For block the one the way they come. For cause more traffic. You know one for wait. I make a tell you just to say now we self can cause the unnecessary traffic. Na salon. because people just don't want to wait. They no one for adhere. What they know the kind driver they hold there. The traffic authorities them for the naya. Make sure say nobody knock out by for block them one the way they cancel. But oh yeah. Nayana Salon. Not so. Eh? See the traffic, eh? Tense one. This is not just quick one who say low show now. And it was on a Sunday. But that road they turn so the tar. See now they not done it too. But they don't level no more. But carry the pass. So how long will I get for take for can turn the tar now? Let not forget again season back. How long will I get for take? They are Sierra Leone Roads Authority. Hey, look this woman and the keke rider. Salon. Okay. Now if first then this for car, but they check we uploads. This will just say that will show now how the traffic be deal with we this particular Sunday. Go to camera. Check now we uploads. We get video where they wait for you. Where you go like. Share this video to other people. Tell them say the road construction is on right now from Rokupa to Porti. Now enjoy the video, yeah. We'll go meet you back. Thank you for watching.